Hello, friend. Y'all, another unboxing. I'm telling you, this has been the week of orders. A lot of pre-orders were coming in. Decided to try out something new. And so that's what we're going to talk about today. I am Karen, the everything behind A Little Kinder, and I am so excited that you're here. I hope that you will like that video and subscribe. Let YouTube do all the hard work and let you know every time I put a video out. I do put 2 to 3 out a week. And today's video is all about the Hip Kit Club. Let's dive into this box. So we have a thank you for your order card with the benefits of being a subscriber to the Hip Kit Club, along with some information about their socials and whatnot. Alrighty, let's dig into this. Oh, okay. It's taped and stuck with a sticker. Alright, I see you. Ooh, okay. Alright. Let's get the box out of the way. And look at some pretty stuff. So, I got the March kit and then the March paper, so that I would have 2 sheets of everything. So I am not going to open up this pack of paper. I am going to dig into the March kit. Now, let's see. I like that there's the big sticker in the middle. That's really nice. I do kind of wish, though, that somewhere it told me, like, this is the March kit. But, I mean, I can always put that on there with a Sharpie, because I would kind of like to keep these kits according to their month. All right, let's start with the embellishments. So we have some chrysanthemum. I love me some Pink Fresh Studios. So we have the chipboard flare pieces, and we have the ephemera pack. We have, out of the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. Y'all, I didn't get any of this. I was ho-hum, I'm not sure, and it sold out at most of the places that I usually get it from. So, kind of excited to have these. These are the chipboard stickers. And then we have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Yeah, I really like this. I'm going to be totally bummed that I did not get it. Then we have chrysanthemum letters. I do not own a package of these, so I'm very excited to have those. And then we have, I do kind of like this, that the papers are shrunk wrap. That way they're not loose and they travel better. Like, by travel, I mean they mail better. Let's see if I can get this open without hurting. Now, one thing that I did notice when I ordered this was there is an embellishment kit that's separate from what comes in the monthly kit. And that was sold out. It's an add-on and it was sold out, or I would have gotten it. All right. Are all the papers exclusive? Did I know this? Okay, hold on. They are. Oh my heck. I am super glad now. So I didn't know this. Y'all are learning, or I'm learning, and you're seeing me learn. All of the papers are exclusive. Love this. Okay. You know, maybe if I read this little card over here, it might say that. It does not. It does say Hip Kit Club exclusives. Huh. All right. So this paper is called Daydream. Look at that. Okay, it's probably making your eyes do something crazy because it's making mine. Forgotten Wishes. Love this. Ooh, look at the mixed media. Then we have Glass Marble. This is beautiful. This reminds me very much of alcohol inked backgrounds. Then we have the back. Ooh, it's got a little bit of a, like a watercolor wash. That's pretty. We have Impressions. And then a really pretty blue tonal. Journal entry. That's nice too. Oh, this is pretty. This is called Kaleidoscope. Look at that back. That's neat. Then we have Library Visit. Okay, I really kind of love this one. And then look at this great black and white stripe. It's got some pink splatters. Making Memories. Watercolored dots. Those are pretty. And then there's the back. Oh, I'm so glad I got a paper pack. Then we have Simple Connections. That's beautiful. And the B-side is this beautiful purple wash. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, we'll just pause for a minute. This is stunning. Stunning. Yep, stunning. And then it's a ledger on the back. Oh, look at this floral. This one's called Vintage Blooms. Oh, that's gorgeous. And the B-side. Ooh, that's fun. And then the last one is called Write Me a Letter. And there's the B-side. Okay, y'all, I did not realize that all of the papers are exclusive to the club. I guess I thought it was a curated monthly kit. Meaning, you know, that they've gone out and maybe used embellishments and whatnot from, I mean, not just embellishments, but papers and whatnot, and mixed them together to curate a collection. I did not realize that it's their own paper, y'all. I am loving it even more. So, first time opening a Kit Club monthly box or monthly kit. I love it. I love it. I will be signing up. Can't wait to see what some of the add-on embellishment kind of kits look like. I got the March one, honestly, because I was attracted to the colors. I believe the April kit was still available with all of the parts and pieces. But, yeah. So if you want to freeze the screen, take a screenshot. There's all the information. I do know that when I was looking, they have this kit, which I would call the 12 by 12 kit. And then they had a pocket card kit as well. So you could do either the pocket card or the 12 by 12. That would be interesting to get both and see what's going on there. Yeah. All right. So, my friends, thank you so much for being with me as we unboxed this Hip Kit Club box. I cannot wait to scrapbook with these papers and use them. They will be coming up in some videos very soon, which brings us to become a subscriber so that you'll know when these videos come out. YouTube will let you know. They do an amazing job of notifying all of my subscribers when new content hits the channel. Usually 2 to 3 things per week, including my Sunday Scrap Lift Crafternooner group, where I get together with a couple of friends and we scrap lift a layout. So hit the like button. Tells me that you want more unboxing videos. And if you will subscribe and let YouTube tell you when something new comes out. Until next time, my friends, go make some memories. Bye-bye.